Hello everyone, this is a recap of the trading session February 2nd, 2012. Here we have the euro dollar chart. Let's talk about yesterday first. We got that run up here in the euro dollar and a head and shoulder pattern. We broke the neckline, we got the retest of that neckline here, and I was expecting a move to the downside at that point, and a close here to the gap to that 20-day VWAP, but things turned out differently here in the European session yesterday. We got a complete turnaround, and euro dollar just got squeezed higher here right from the beginning of the session in Europe, and tested the highs again. Here failed to break and moved then back today to that support here, which is still at 130.80. That's still the key level. Everything above for me is bullish, below bearish. I expect here a two-ways market. I expect that we will stay in that range here for a while, maybe, but if we break, I expect the break rather to happen to the downside than to the upside here. I just zoom out here to show you the importance again of that level, of that 130.80 level here. And again, I expect a break again to the downside, but if we break higher, we should look here for a break and a retest, and then we have a bit room here again to the upside, but more likely a break here to the downside. So in the European session this morning, things were a bit tricky. I expected a move to the downside in the euro, but at that point in the morning, the price was above the 5-day VWAP, so I decided to take another pair to short the euro. I decided to go with euro yen, which just looked better here at that point. Here's a chart of the euro yen. Like a few days ago, we got basically the same scenario I was expecting in the euro dollar. We also got here an important key level. We got the break, the retest, and we got here the gap close to that 20-day VWAP, where we got the bounce, and again back to that 5-day VWAP. But same scenario as in the euro dollar, but here things turned out differently. Here we got the close to the gap, but not in the euro dollar. As you remember, we got the turnaround there yesterday. Nevertheless, price was still below that key level here in the morning, was also below the 5-day VWAP, so I decided to go short here. Didn't go short right away because I wanted to see some weakness, and had a sell limit here at 99.95, also below the round number, and my target was down here again at that VWAP right before that, and stop was just behind that 5-day VWAP. In the end, I closed the trade here for just plus 20 pips. The reason for that is I closed it then in the afternoon because we didn't get the move here in the European session. And the reason for the close before that level, the target level, got hit, was that we had also Bernanke speaking today, and then I expected a dovish speech and euro dollar going up on that, and that euro yen just also dragged up by euro dollar, and basically I was right about that. So we just took here 20 pips out of the short trade, but as you can see, the chart just looking better compared to the euro dollar today for a short trade.